Doesn't matter. But it's getting lower. Somewhat. Who cares? We're flying. That's all that matters. Alarm hole! Huh? I'm just so I could go in a way I could line up with you.
Gear up.
Crazy ass birds, get out of there! Already?
Landing flaps. Gear down. Flaps up. Gear up.
These batteries are tired.
Time remaining 2
If you go below, I'll go over. Oh, it's in the worst spot.
Gear down.
I'll wait for you. Oh wait, I can't. You're way the hell back there. It's better without flaps.
Oh yeah?
Did you do it with flaps?
I did it with.
Yeah, without it's better. Just makes it more predictable. You go a little faster, but it's more predictable.
Time remaining.
Yeah, but it's easier to handle. It was for me anyway. But at least you're not like tip stalling the whole way down, you know? I'll try flaps this time too. There we go, that's better. I'll be closest to us. Yeah, see that? I don't really care for that.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that was good.
Gear
Whoa.
up. Take off flaps. Flaps up.
That was good. That cross control shit worked.
It works. If you do it just right, the plane sinks.
10, 9, gear down, 8, 7, landing flaps, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah, the wind's almost
One.
dead.
time expired. Gear up, flaps up.
I'm not gonna make it over the sun. I think my turning cards
Mine are really tired. I'm gonna keep the speed up.
I guess the flaps really drag me down.
Yeah, a little bit.
With the flaps up, it's like zooming around.
I'm just trying to catch up to you. You can do what you're doing.
Man, that cross control really.
It's effective.
This plane works well.
Yeah, it's got a fat
1
fuse,
minute over.
so it'll work pretty good. I'm coming in.
Landing flaps, gear down.
I don't trust this battery. It's old and puffy. Whoa! Oh, you got a good one too. The wind's getting better, Frank. I don't care what.
Cross control all the way.
It helps.
Fucking down. Where's your jet sounding loud and shit, bro?
It's been abused.
It's like,
No, this fan is mangled.
huh?
Oh, Mike never came out. I brought that fan for him. He never showed. Oh, up, up.
But Ray, you're pointing to like instances. in
Look.
your cell phone.
Holy crap, that thing sounds mean.